In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through installing the official Microsoft Teams Calls app from the Slack app directory and authorizing it so teammates can start or join Teams meetings right from Slack. I'll narrate each click so you can follow along without pausing. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Slack Marketplace and press Enter. In the results, look for the Slack app directory and click it to open the marketplace. Once you're in the marketplace, use the search field at the top and type Microsoft Teams. If you see a quick preview of matches, choose the option to see all results for Microsoft Teams, so you get the full list. From the results, find the listing called Microsoft Teams Calls and open it. This is the official integration that lets Slack hand off calls to Microsoft Teams. Before installing, it's smart to review what you're getting. Click the Features tab to see a summary of what the app does, like creating or joining Teams meetings directly from Slack conversations. Next, click Permissions. This explains what access the app needs in Slack, such as the ability to post messages or start calls, so you can confirm it matches your organization's policies. Then click Security and Compliance. Here you'll find details that help admins evaluate risk and understand how data is handled. Click Description to read the full overview of the app and how it fits into your workflow. Click Pricing to review any cost details and note that you'll still need the appropriate Microsoft licensing for Teams. Finally, click Supported Languages to make sure the app experience is available in the languages your team uses. When you're ready, click Add to Slack. You'll be prompted to choose the Slack workspace where you want the app installed. Click the workspace picker and select the correct one. If you don't see the option to proceed, you may need a workspace or org admin to approve app installations. Next, you'll see the permissions screen from Slack. Review the access the app is requesting and click Allow to grant those scopes. This authorizes the Slack side of the connection. Right after that, you'll be redirected to the Microsoft Sign-in and Consent page. This is where the app asks for permission to create and manage Teams calls on your behalf. Review the information and click Accept. Depending on your Microsoft 365 settings, an administrator may need to approve this the first time. You should now land on a confirmation page that says you're being redirected back to Microsoft Teams calls. Click the prompt to continue. If your browser asks whether to open the link, choose to open it in your browser. Back in Slack, the Microsoft Teams Calls app will open. Click the app in your sidebar to bring it into focus. You'll typically see a brief welcome message or setup confirmation. From here, the integration is ready to use across your channels and direct messages. That's the full flow. You searched the Slack marketplace, opened the Microsoft Teams Calls listing, reviewed features, permissions, security and compliance, description, pricing, and supported languages, added the app to Slack, chose the workspace, allowed Slack permissions, accepted Microsoft consent, followed the redirect, and opened the app in Slack. With that, your users can launch or join Teams meetings without leaving Slack, streamlining how your organization communicates. If anything doesn't match what you see on screen, it's often due to admin controls or regional settings, so check with your Slack or Microsoft admin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.